Hi, this is Visit Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to reset Instagram Explorer page. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! Instagram is a great platform to spot new trends with an enormous number of users creating new content daily. These are endless photos and reels to view. Daily users of Instagram are familiar with its Explore page. Instead of endless scrolling through your feed to see what those you follow have posted, the Explore page shows you varied content, and what you'll see is a mix of uploads from accounts you follow and some you don't. This makes your entire Instagram experience much more enriching. So what if you want to reset your Instagram Explore page? It's so simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Instagram. Now you can just tap on your profile on the bottom right here. You can tap on the upper right corner, the three lines over here. Now you can just scroll down and you'll find there is an option content preferences. You can just tap on that and you can just see there is an option reset suggest content. You can just tap on that. Here Instagram suggests posts, reels, and other content based on your factors like who you follow and your activity. You can reset to see something new by tap on next and here. So after you tap on next on this button, you'll see suggestion about topic that may be different from what you usually see. You can just tap on that. You can reset suggested content. Now you can just tap on reset suggested content. So now you have reset your explore page on your Instagram. So that is how to reset explore page on your Instagram. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.